All right, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good evening, all. Welcome back to Brainy Bites tutorial. All right, so if this is your first time of coming across to this YouTube channel, you are welcome. We are Brainy Bites tutorials. All right, so what we do in this channel is that we talk about things, we teach, and we talk about things that concern Jamb, admission, post UTME, and WAEC and NECO. All right, so if you are any of these candidates, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications so that whenever I drop any update, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. All right, so the reason why I said you should subscribe to our YouTube channel is that as a Jamb university aspirant, you need information. All right, so you need information to schedule. So once you subscribe and turn on all bell notification, because we are uploading information from all different schools, all right, on daily basis. So once we upload informations like that or latest news like that concerning your school, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the updates so that you don't miss out with anything that has to do with your admission. You know it is very, very important to you. All right, so let's get right. So our today topic is someone asked me a question. All right, so I promised all my subscribers that whatsoever question I receive from my candidates, I will definitely have to come here to answer the question. All right, so that everybody that have subscribed to Brainy Bite tutorial, we and some persons out there that have not subscribed also will equally learn from here. All right, so what you have to do is, after learning, and if you get the video helpful, you to give the video a thumbs up. All right, you can equally let me know in the comment section if there is anything you want me to do for you, and you can share the video as well to your friends. All right, help me share it to your friends so they can equally benefit from this. All right, so because you are not the only person out there that has this kind of challenge. All right, so many persons out there is asking this kind of question. All right, you help me distribute the video so that every other persons out there will equally learn from this. All right, so before I get right to answer this question, I want to introduce you to our platform. All right, we have a WhatsApp community. It is basically for our 2024 UTME registered candidate. All right, of course, you yourself can become one of our member. The only way you can become one of our member is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. Then after getting to know you on WhatsApp, I'll definitely have to add you on our WhatsApp community. There in our WhatsApp community, we have access. You have access to the ongoing NECO answers free of charge. All right, so you also have access to your school updated post UTME past questions, all right, free of charge as well. All right, so and by next year we are going to launch a program for our 2024 admitted candidates. All right, so of course you yourself, you'll be one of the admitted candidates. All right, so that program is basically a finance program. All right, it is going to help you while you are in school, because you and I knows that the money your parents will be giving to you will not be enough in school for you, right? So you know that. So of course you know where you want to see where you can lay hand to get some kind of extra cash. All right, so that's why the program is there for you. All right, so we'll be live on the internet by next year. So it is only for our registered UTME candidate. Of course, you too can become one of us. But let me know in the comment section. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let's get right to the video. Okay, somebody asked me that I got 207, can I study nursing, and do they accept 2 sittings? All right, so is 2 questions in one. All right, the first question is that she said, can I study nursing? And the second question is that do they accept 2 sittings? All right, so there is one mentality that Jamb candidates always have. They believe that once they didn't get to 300, they didn't get to 280, they didn't get to 295, and respectively, so they are not going to gain admission. All right, so I have seen someone that scored as high as 303 in Jamb and did not gain admission. I've seen somebody that scored as high as 289 in Jamb and did not get admission. All right, so that's basically how it is. All right, it's not by I scored high and this and that and that and that. Sometimes what causes all of this is actually the number of competition. Like of course you yourself, you know that nursing is a highly competitive course. in Nigeria. All right, so the everybody's going for nursing. Everybody's going for nursing. Even the people that knows nothing about nursing, they want to go for nursing. All right, so it's not like that. So you yourself that scored like this, you are also a member. As long as you are a nursing aspirant. All right, so what you have to do is to do well in your pursuit. All right, so when you do well in your pursuit, it will also help you to boost your chances of getting admission. All right, you do well in your pursuit, whereby you do not do well in your pursuit, it becomes a challenge. All right, it becomes a challenge, because how we get your total aggregate is you combine your Jamb and your pursuit with whatever to get your aggregate for admission. All right, what it is called composite score. All right, so for your admission, so that's how they get it. All right, so you need to work hard in your pursuit. That's where everything lies. You need to work hard in your pursuit. That's where work hard. When you work hard in your pursuit, then after your pursuit, then we will now know your chances of getting admission. All right, so the next one is do they accept two sittings? All right, so that's a very good question, because some persons did not merit their WAEC or their O level once. All right, some persons have two sittings. So one thing about two sittings is that it is not really advised, or it's not really advisable to use two sittings for nursing. All right, the reason why I say so is because not nursing is a highly competitive course. It depends on the school. All right, so it depends on the school. Actually, it depends on the school, because it depends on the school. Okay, so it's a highly competitive course. Then let's assume that a school wants to admit like 100 persons in nursing departments. Maybe you want to admit like 100 persons in nursing departments in the year 2024, and 250 persons applied for admission. All right, so you can see how the level of competition is. All right, so now they will now start looking for a way to disqualify some candidates. All right, so they will now start looking for a way to disqualify some candidates. So if they find out that you are having two sittings, and people that have one sitting O level is far better than you, they will drop you that have two sitting and go with those ones. Right, so the only way they can consider you, it is only when there's not much people in that department. All right, so they will definitely have to consider everybody. All right, so that's how it is. It's not really advisable to use two sittings for 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 applying for nursing. All right, so well, there's nothing grace cannot do. All right, so there's nothing God cannot do. All right, so you can still, grace can still carry you and you get the admission. All right, so that's basically where I will end the question, where I will have all I have to say concerning this question that I was asked. All right, so if you have anything that is bothering you, you want me to know in the comment section, the comment section is always free for you. Let me know in the comment section. All right, so if you want to join us, also let me know in the comment section. If you have been writing Jamb for a very long time and you don't have somebody that is assisting you, because you need somebody that will be guiding you, it is very, very important, because sometimes you might, out of ignorance, and miss the admission. All right, so you need somebody that will be guiding you. So that's why we are here for you. All right, let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp community, and there you get all my full attention. All right, so I love you guys. Until I see you guys, please don't forget to share it to some of your friends out there so they can benefit. If this video is helpful, please like. All right, subscribe. All right, so this will be ending today. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, until I see you again, keep winning.